Hello students, welcome to the second lecture of this digital signal processing unit number 1, that is DSP preliminaries and application. In the second lecture we are going to concentrate on the very first part, that is, let's say, the introduction to the DSP. So in the introduction to the DSP part, as we all know, DSP is applicable in various fields. So let's have some rough introduction for it. So DSP, that is digital signal processing, is an area of science and engineering that has developed rapidly over the past 40 years. This rapid development is a result of the significant advances in digital computer technology and IC fabrication. So this can be elaborated as a IC fabrications like MSI to VLSI, means medium scale integration to large and then very large. Their use was limited to general purpose, non-real time, that is offline scientific computations and business applications. So earlier it was like that. Now, for many signals with extremely wide bandwidths, real-time processing is a requirement. For such signals, analog or perhaps optical signal processing is the only possible solution. So these are some sort of things which we can understand from this particular slide, that it is applicable in almost every field wherever you require proper accuracy and to deal up with the real-time applications. Next is, if someone asks you what is DSP, what exactly it is, then it can be simply elaborated with this simple slide. This is taken from the internet. Converting a continuously changing waveform, that is analog, into a series of discrete levels. So here this is what the input, that is analog. So it is continuously changing. So that's it. That is why it is also called as a continuous in time and continuous in amplitude. So this is what the analog signal. Now here we converted it into the digital. How it is? So these are the some of the steps which are mentioned over here. So in stepwise manner it is done. In other words, the same explanation can be expressed in terms of the chopping operation to the analog signal. So this chopping will be done like this. So let's see the next part in detail for the chopping operations. So what is DSP? The second part, the analog waveform is sliced into equal segments and the waveform amplitude is measured in the middle of each segment. So that is what done over here. At the middle of each segment, if let's say this is what the segment, if you measure its amplitude at the middle, you will get the amplitude. Okay, this is, let's say, for this particular segment, if I take the middle, I will get the amplitude. The collection of measurements make up the digital representation of the waveform, means all these points which are mentioned over here. Similarly, if we take middle of this one, it will be this particular point represents its amplitude. So collection of all these values, that is nothing but representation of the waveform. In short, take one analog signal, chop it. This chopping will result in this kind of signal, and levels of these signals simply we are writing as a values to represent that particular signal. So thank you everyone. This is all about simply the introduction to the DSP.